Right, I'm in Blackpool. I'm going to do 1 hour on Uber. Let's see if I can do 5 jobs. Blackpool, not quite the sunniest place on earth. What can we say about it? More sex offenders in Blackpool than there is in the state of Florida. Probably more inbreds as well. But here we go. The time is 10 to 1 in the afternoon. Let's see if we can do 5 jobs by 10 to 2. Let's go. Done. 5 jobs. 5 jobs in Blackpool all together. Right, do you know what I've realised? There's more Polish shops in Blackpool than probably in Poland. And there's more Turkish barbers in Blackpool than it is in Liverpool. But, right to the point. So I've done me 5 jobs, made £30. I forget how long it took me. It took me 1 hour and 8 minutes. That's how long it took me, 1 hour and 8 minutes. £30 altogether, really £30 and 26 pence. So it's well worth it, and it's surging quite a bit. It's only just started surging when I switched off, but it's well worth coming to Blackpool to have a little gander. It's a shame I've got stuff to do, otherwise I'd stay here longer and do a much longer video. And one day, I've said this before in the past, one day I'll have to come and do a full Uber shift in Blackpool. I mean, like, till I get knocked off 10 hours, or really more, but 10 hours of driving. So it's well worth coming to Blackpool to do a bit of work. It's very busy. I was getting the jobs before I even dropped off. I'd got me next job in. So give it a go. Do you use work in Blackpool? Let me know. How do you find it? Would you consider coming to Blackpool to work, or if you live in like Preston coming up to work? Let me know. Really interested. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, thumbs up button, all that shenazzle. Right, have a good day.